Hi, first grade. I'm Mrs. Norris, and I'm going to be your teacher this year. I am really excited for the start of the school year, and I just wanted to send along a little story this evening. Since tonight is the night before first grade, I wanted to read you the story The Night Before First Grade. So I know this year might look a little bit different than maybe what you were used to last year or when you started kindergarten, but I'm really excited to get to know all of you and work with all of you and learn about all the different things that we can do with technology and in our virtual classroom. So I hope you're excited for the first day of school tomorrow. I know I am really excited, and I wanted to share a story. I hope you enjoy it, and I can't wait to see you tomorrow and start our year. So this is The Night Before First Grade. 'Twas the night before first grade. I kissed my dog Clover. School's starting tomorrow because summer is over. Into my backpack went markers and pens. I hung my new outfit. It matched my friend Jen's. So maybe instead of putting markers and pens in a book bag, we're getting our supplies set up at home in our learning space at home. I spoke not a word, but went straight to the shelf and filled up my lunchbox. I made lunch myself. I can't wait to see Jenny, I told my big brother. I hope that our desks are right next to each other. That night I was nestled all snug in my bed while visions of jungle gyms danced in my head. The next day at breakfast, Dad made such a fuss. What a big girl you are to be taking the bus. So while we might not be on a bus, we will be on Google Meets together and get to see each other and do all sorts of other things that normally we wouldn't get to do. So I am excited about all of that. Hurry, Penny, said Mom as it turned down our street. Over here, shouted Jenny. I saved you a seat. At school, kindergartners stood outside in the hall. They all looked so young. Were we ever that small? While they clung to their parents, we hugged Miss Sunrise. You two grew so tall, she said with surprise. The ding rang the school bell. We made such a clatter as we raced to our classroom. Then Jen said, What's the matter? The principal told us that some changes were made. We have some new students, so we split the first grade. Hi, Penny, said my teacher. You're in here with me. But yipes, Jenny wasn't. She was in room 33. We waved goodbye sadly and said, See you later. I had to be brave because I'm a first grader. Soon we sat in a circle and we each said our name. Then we played 20 questions and I won the game. Mr. Barr is so funny. He tells jokes and he juggles. And our class pet's so cute. It's a bunny named Snuggles. I knew most of the kids except just a few. So I went and said hi to a girl who was new. We sat side by side and made pictures with noodles. We laughed when we saw we both made noodle poodles. We both have pet turtles and love turquoise blue, and pistachio ice cream is her favorite too. I can't wait to hear about all your favorite things. If you have pets, your favorite ice cream and food and all sorts of things. Get to know each other. I can't wait till you meet my best friend at lunch. I just know that you'll both like each other a bunch. The lunchroom was buzzy, so busy and loud. We sat down at a table. Was Jen in this crowd? When what to my wondering eyes, there in line was Jen with a new friend who looked just like mine. Their eyes, how they twinkled. Behind matching frames, they had curly pigtails, and they had rhyming names. And our new friends were twins, and though school's just begun, I know first grade will be twice as much fun. All right, so that was the night before first grade. And as I mentioned, even though there were some things in this story that maybe will be a little bit different for us this year, what I like about this story is the opportunity that a new school year brings and meeting new friends and learning new things and trying new things. And we really will get to try and learn a lot of new things, with our iPads and technology. And I can't wait for the first day. Everybody get a good night's sleep. I know I'm going to try to get a good night rest tonight, and check on Seesaw for all your assignments, the links for our classes, everything will be there. And please just let me know if you need any help, if you have any questions, if your grown-ups have any questions, and thank you grown-ups for everything as well as we kick off the new year. So just reach out with any questions, and I can't wait for tomorrow. Have a great rest of your day and see you soon. Bye, first grade.